Hey everyone, today I wanted to create a new Google free trial account, but I don't want to use my existing Gmail. So I wanted you to show the process of how you can create a new Gmail and you can use the Gmail account to create a Google Cloud free trial account and then use the services which are available in the Google Cloud. Okay, let's get started. So search for Google sign up in your browser, create a Gmail account and click on create new account. So we have to provide some name to your email or the email address. So I'll be giving ASDF225 @gmail.com. Yes, I am not a robot. And then password. I'm setting up my password. Yeah, my bad. So I was trying to log in, but I have to create an account for my personal use. I'm giving it as ASDF, last name optional, next, and then I'm giving some random date of birth, gender, male, next, username ASDF225, next. It's already taken. Let's do one thing. ASDF G225. Next. Oh, this is also taken. Let me do some interesting thing. Give me some unique name. Quart 225. 01. Really? Is it playing with me? Let me do one thing. Tech practice 1. Finally. I've given my password and confirm the password. I have to scan the QR code with my mobile. I scan with my mobile and it is asking me to verify by sending a email sending a SMS. I sent an SMS on my mobile to the number which is suggested in the phone when I scan the QR code. Let's see what happens. It done. I can skip the recovery email. Your tech practice 1 at gmail.com. The terms and conditions. I agree. Boom. My account is created. Let me click on Gmail. This is my new Gmail account with your tech practice 1 as the email ID and the name is ASDF, some random name. So let me create a Google Cloud account for this. I will be creating Google Cloud free trial account. Okay, so search for Google Cloud free trial and open this one. Free trial account. $3,000 will be created to you for free and you can use them for 3 months. So whichever completed first, that will be done. So once you completed your $300, so your free trial will be done. Either $300 or 3 months, whichever comes first. So I will be using the same account to create my Google free trial. Agree and continue. And then add name and address. So under the profile type, take individual, check on individual and give some random address. Hyderabad, 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 and the pin code, some random pin code, and Telangana. Save it. Yeah, this is the most important one, add payment method. So before I creating this video, I tried with UPI QR code. I mean, before this video, I thought of creating one more Google account. There, I found that when you use this UPI QR code option, so you have to do a prepayment of 1,000 rupees. So that will be refunded once you close your billing account. So that is fine. And another option is add credit or debit card. So I tried multiple cards, but it is not allowing me to convert that card as a primary because I used UPI QR code as a primary initially, and then I thought of removing it and adding a new payment method by using credit card, but it had hit me very hard. I tried multiple ways. Somehow I was unable to add the credit card as a primary payment, and it I burned around 30 to 40 minutes of my time, and it doesn't worked out. So I thought of creating a new account with the new Gmail ID. So that's why I created new Gmail ID, and then I am trying to create new Google account. So here I will be first trying to add my card and see what happens. If this doesn't work out, I will use the UPI QR code option. Start free, verify. Okay, it will be redirecting me to a different page where I have to provide the OTP. I got a OTP for debiting 2 rupees. I provided OTP. 3,000 required. Really? Man. So for UPI it's only 1,000. Credit card it is 3,000. Let's see if I can add my UPI QR code option. Your free trial is pending. Let me click on make a payment. I don't know why this account activation is getting strict day by day. So manage payment methods and then add payment method. I don't want this, I want a backup method. Yeah, I want this option. Instead of 3000, 1000 would be better. I will be using phone pay. So I used phone pay to scan. I know the same happened to me previously as well. I think phone pay is having some issues. It is not working out. So I will use Google Pay. Google Pay worked out for me when I'm doing it previously. But at the time I don't want to do my prepayment of 1000 rupees. So I cancelled the auto mandate. Now I am doing the auto mandate with this Google Pay. Yeah, mandate has been created. Let's see what happens. I got a message stating that 15,000 will be auto debited, but we can remove that auto mandate. It's not an issue. Recurring payment, auto mandate. No, why so? The mandate is also created. The auto payment is also created. Why it is not successful? I can see auto pay. Let me cancel auto pay. And let me rescan it again. Okay. Auto pay has been created successfully. This is the problem. I don't know what is happening, but the thing is, once you create any payment method, initially when you're creating your account, after that, when you want to add backup method or if you want to change, we are unable to do it. Oh, that's 1 minute. I think it is there here. The UPI has been added. So I want to make it as a primary. UPI QR code as primary. As rescan the QR code again. Okay, the mandate has been created. We are unable to set it as a primary. Why? Why? 3000 man. What we can do? I don't want to pay 3000. Your Flitter account requires a prepayment. If you already made a payment, it should be credited to your account within 24 hours. If I want to make a payment, $3,000. Service requires one-time prepayment of at least 3,000 to become active. If you already made a payment, it should be credited to your account. Why, man? Why I have to pay 3,000? Okay, I will leave at this point. So that's how we can create an account, because once you set up your debit card as the initial process, and after that if you want to change it to a QR code, it is not happening. This is the payment issue that I have encountered. So this is happening not only for the credit card. If you choose the payment method as UPI QR code first, and then you want to change that to uh, credit card or debit card method, so we are unable to do it. In the same way with vice versa as well. So once you add credit card or debit card, and then if you want to add QR code method as a primary by removing the uh, credit or debit card method, it is not happening. So this was the issue we are encountering. So I will stop at this point, but this is the process of how we can do it. If you want to activate your account, so you have to pay 3,000 as a prepayment for the credit cards and 1,000 for the UPI. So if anyone knows any solution to create an account without any prepayment, please comment below so that others can learn and they will use the method, and those will be benefited. Let me close this, refresh. Okay. I made some research on the side. I came to know that for UPA it's a mandate, we have to pay 1,000 rupees, but for the credit card it's not a mandate, but there are some things you need to follow. If there are any information that you are providing as an input while you are creating your Google Cloud free trial account, if those matches with their database, so they will be asking you for prepayment of 3,000 when you are using your credit card. But it's not all the time, but if sometimes if it is matching, so it is asking for a 3,000 of prepayment with the credit card option. So what we have to do now? So there are two things. So you can create one more Gmail account, and then not Gmail account. You can create one more Google Cloud free trial account with another Gmail, and try to give this the same card. But we cannot guarantee that this card will be working. But sometimes if you are giving the same card for the different Gmail ID, so it is working, but it is not guaranteed. If you want to safely create an account without any issues, so you have to create your Google free trial account with the new Gmail and the new credit card which is not used till now for the GCP. So I will try to do one thing now. As my card which I added already, it is used previously in my Google Cloud. So I will try to add another account. Okay, I'm adding another credit card. Let me change pin code. Save card. So Okay, I have added one more card as a backup, and I want to make it as a primary, and it is asking me to provide the security code, which is CVV, and then it is asking for a OTP. Multiple 2 rupees are getting deducted from my accounts. I've spent a lot today. 529. Okay, I have provided the OTP. Now let's see if it can be added as a primary and not asking for any prepayment. If not, no other option. See, the prepayment is required. I will remove this card now. I think the solution right now is, so we have to create a new Google Cloud free trial account with the new credit card, and the details what you are providing while creating a free trial account that should not match the database of the Google Cloud. So that means if you should not provide any details which are already provided, like credit card, your names, Gmail, which is already created. So otherwise, it will be asking you for these prepayment options. I think that is the only solution. So get prepared or well prepared before you are creating Google Cloud free trial account, and follow the all the necessary measures you need to follow in order to create a Google free trial account without any issues. Okay, I hope this has covered all the issues that you will encounter while you are creating a Google account. So make sure you watch the video and create your own free trial account without any issues. Bye bye.